This is NBC 26 Sports.
Welcome into the NBC 26 Sportscast. As you can see, not a lot of sports going on today. There was supposed to be a full slate of high school spring sports games today. So much for spring. In our area, 24 baseball games were canceled or postponed today, so this is the closest thing you're going to see to a first pitch. And 8 girls' soccer matches were canceled today. This is the closest we've got to soccer. And 25 softball games were canceled. Not a lot of softball happening here. So that's the story, just your average Northeast Wisconsin spring day. So I'll send it back to you in the studio, Chris.
You know, and to think that that poor girl is from the state of Florida.